Of fruits, vegetables, and nuts has risen sharply in the last decade. The demand for produce grown with fewer pesticides is also on the rise. Along with this new demand, farmers are finding that total reliance on pesticides may cause problems such as pest flareback, pesticide resistance, and groundwater contamination. An increasing number of farmers are turning to an effective approach to pest control, which helps reduce and sometimes eliminates the need for traditional chemical pesticides. It is called Integrated Pest Management, or IPM. IPM incorporates all the methods available for pest control and uses techniques that consider both short-term and long-term effects. In this video, we'll explore why IPM was developed and learn its basic strategies. We'll then see how these strategies are applied in orchards, vegetables, field crops, and strawberries. As with any successful IPM program, it is important to begin with healthy pest-tolerant varieties. Once the strawberry planting is established, it is crucial to begin monitoring for key pests such as spider mites, lygus bugs, and flower thrips. Two-spotted spider mites are found on the undersides of leaves where they feed and lay eggs. When two-spotted mite populations reach damaging levels, the strawberry plant becomes stunted with reduced yields and lower quality. In controlling two-spotted mites on strawberries, cultural, biological, and chemical means must be considered. Dust from surrounding roads encourages the buildup of spider mites. Therefore, water is applied to the roads to prevent dust. Predatory mites, Phytocoelus persimilis, are released annually early in the season and monitored throughout the year. When necessary, selective miticides are used in conjunction with the predatory mites for a quicker knockdown of the pest mites. Lygus bugs damage strawberries by feeding on developing seeds, which causes misshapen fruit and reduced yields. Vacuuming techniques have shown promise in reducing populations of lygus from strawberry fields. The lygus vacuum is a tractor-mounted suction device which moves over the plant canopy, sucking up lygus. It is used once or twice a week during the period when lygus populations are the highest. With the integrated use of predatory mites, selective miticides, and vacuum machines, naturally occurring predatory insects increase to levels capable of controlling the western flower thrips. In this video, we've seen and heard how the practice of integrated pest management is employed in orchards, vegetables, field crops, and strawberries. All of these examples show how the use of the complete farm ecosystem can produce crops just as well as chemical-intensive farming. We've seen how IPM often reduces pesticide use, thereby increasing environmental and worker safety. Integrated pest management in agriculture helps farmers increase their overall pest control while sustaining their land for many generations to come.